Dominic with Deviate Off-Road, and these are our new Slim Fenders. These fit the Gladiator JT, the ones that we're looking at right now, but we also have a set that fits the Wrangler JL. The rear fenders are a little different, so you have to specify which one you have when you're buying the set of 4. So the Slim Fenders get their name because they're narrow. That's better for you when you're trying to navigate through these trails with narrow obstacles. It'll help you fit a little bit better, but they're still wide enough to protect your body paint from receiving rocks and mud as you're going through those hard sections of the trail. These are finished in our 2-stage micro texture powder coat, so they got a nice sleek look to them, a nice refined finished look. These do come with a plug-and-play dual action light here, so it does shine both white and amber, and it functions as both your running light and your turn signal, and it is 100% plug and play. You just plug it in and it functions like factory. We have these in stock and ready to ship right now. They're on our website, where we also feature DIY friendly instructions for a start to finish process to make it smooth for all you guys at home.